Here's how you can uninstall Discord on your mobile device. So the very first and most easiest way is to simply press and hold on the Discord app, and then you want to look for a button that says uninstall. So mine only says remove, and that does not actually uninstall it. And in this case, what it does is just removes it from my phone so that I can't see it anymore. However, the app is actually still installed, so you might want to, if you have the setting, you might want to swipe up in your phone, find the actual Discord app through here, and then now simply press and hold again, and then now there's going to be an option that says uninstall. So simply click on the uninstall button and then press on uninstall. Now, the third option, if that still does not work, and this is going to pretty much seal the deal, is you go over to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store. Simply look for the Discord app, so just go into the search bar and type in Discord, and then press on Discord. And now there should be two options where it says open or uninstall, or maybe it says update and uninstall. So you want to click on uninstall. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to uninstall Discord, but simply just click on uninstall, and then that'll uninstall the app for you.